Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Toyota CHR, stock reference number 5129. This shape runs from the 12th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has an 8NR 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 8NR 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. Driver's side door trim. Tail window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.